So here we are on my Twitter profile. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 simple tips that'll help you gain your first 100 Twitter followers real fast. And you can start taking action on them straight away. So tip number 1 is I want you to set up and optimize your Twitter profile for success. That's right. You want to stop the scroll. So if someone does land on your Twitter profile, they're going to be interested in you and they're going to want to start following you. So you're wanting to have a banner image, a profile image. You're wanting to have here some information about who you are and what you do. Maybe put a clickable link here like I have for my YouTube channel, your home city, that type of thing. As I said, if you're wanting people to engage with you and start following you on Twitter, make yourself stand out from the crowd and look interesting in one. So tip number 2 then, when you're just starting out, is I want you to be posting often. That's right, maybe 3 to 5 times a day. Already this morning, I've created a poll here on Twitter. I've mentioned this particular video that's just been uploaded to my YouTube channel. And this was just sharing a great image from Australia with some birds in a tree titled Christmas Trees in Australia. But early on, when you're wanting to grow your presence on Twitter, one of the things we all need to be doing is to post and to post often. So tip number 3 is all about engaging with other people here on Twitter. Start liking and commenting and retweeting and sharing other people's tweets. They will get notified that this is happening, and quite often people will then go check out your Twitter profile or Twitter account and start following you back. The world of Twitter is endless, quick, fast, breaking news on every particular topic that you can imagine that is happening all around the world. So it is very easy for us all to start liking and commenting and retweeting and sharing other information here on Twitter. Now, tip number 4 is I want you to start following lots of other people. That's right. Over here on the right-hand side, Twitter are suggesting people that I could follow. So early on, I want you to start following 10 to 20 other people per day. And the reason we do that is you're wanting to start expanding your own Twitter network. And in the world of Twitter, when you follow other people, maybe a quarter or a third of those people will actually follow you back. But before they follow you back, guess what they're going to do? They're going to quickly check out your Twitter profile, and that was my tip number 1. Remember, you want to stand out. So if you're wanting other people to follow you back, that's why tip number 1 is so important. So follow lots of other people, and before you know it, you will be well and truly on your way to your first 100 followers. So tip number 5 is then letting the whole world know that you are now here on Twitter. You're wanting to promote your Twitter profile, your Twitter account across all the other social media platforms. Maybe post a video here on your YouTube channel informing people that you are now on Twitter. Multiple posts to your LinkedIn profile saying, hey, also follow me on Twitter. And maybe with your own families and friends here on your own Facebook profile. And not only your Facebook profile, but also your Facebook business page. So there we go, 5 simple tips that if you start taking action on today, within days, within a week or so, I'm quite sure you'll be on your way to your first 100 Twitter followers.